everyone, we are back again and I have my friends again with me. So we are going to do an update video today and this is what we have been growing in the daycare so far. So the first thing that we planted, not planted but we started the experiment of growing was with the avocado plant, avocado seed. And so let's see, I have two of the avocado seeds here in the water.
But one of them don't have the root.
Yeah, one of them doesn't have a root and it has been in water for about a month and no sign of growth. Let's see about this one. Oh. So what do you see here?
A root.
Very good. So you can see the root, and after this avocado seed have a couple of leaves, then we can have this in the soil. Have you done this at home, guys?
Yeah. No.
Really, Zion, you've done this at home?
How tricky.
But do you guys eat avocado at home?
I don't. Ella eats. I don't eat avocado.
So, hey, Sophia, next time when Ella eats avocado, then ask her for the avocado seed so you can grow it into a plant.
Oh, I have a lot of avocados in my house, like 100 million.
You can also grow avocado plant from your avocado seed. Like next time, don't throw the seeds away. Okay? So that has been in the water for 1 month and it looks that way.
You don't have a hole for the root.
Oh, honey, it doesn't need to have a hole. So this is the part from where the roots will start developing. But it's taking a little bit longer. Sometimes it might not grow. Sometimes it grows like that one. But maybe this one is not going to grow or it might grow. I don't know that. You just have to wait and see.
I think it's not going to grow.
No. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so this is going to go. Hey, can you tell now where have we been keeping those avocado seeds? Did we put it inside the room on the table somewhere or? Yes, Darmo.
We put it inside the Lego house.
No. Yeah, Lego house. So yeah, we did have it in the greenhouse. We had a Lego greenhouse in upstairs classroom, right? And I did keep it there, but then now it is not there in the Lego greenhouse anymore. So where have we been keeping those in our classroom? Anybody? Do you remember? Yes, Zion. Where were they? Don't you remember? Where was I keeping those? Yes,
there in the window.
Yeah, next to the window. Very good, Christopher. Good thinking. Okay, so now avocado is done, and the second thing Kanchan started growing was with the tomatoes. So I think some of you might have seen my video before. I had the sliced tomatoes that I planted.
Okay.
And so this is how the tomato plant looks like now. And in my last video, you must have seen that those tomato that I had planted the tomato. I had planted the sliced tomato in this container, and now I've taken them out, and now I have put it in the bigger container here, this one, and this is how the tomato looks like after about a month. So it was done in the 2nd of April, and today is 30th of April, so just about a month ago. Yes. So now we talk a little bit about the peas that you have been growing with me. So do you want to take your peas with you?
Yes.
And maybe you can show your friends who are watching.
It's mine.
Is that yours? That's yours, Sophia.
Why do I know?
Okay. So we can now I will ask you, how have you been taking care of the peas? So who wants to answer? Raise your hand. Sophia, do you want to go?
Water.
You have put water there. And where have we put the peas? What is that place? Window. Very good.
Next to the window.
Excellent. Yes, Diane?
We put some sticks.
Yeah, we put some sticks. And where did we find those sticks?
In the forest.
From the forest, right?
Anybody's not raising his hand over me.
Yes, thank you, Tarmo. That is very nice of you to raise your hand. And so, can somebody tell me why we need to have the sticks? Why did we put sticks in the soil? Yes, Christopher?
And then They don't fall when they're big.
Yeah, because the pea plant,
Like this.
yeah, like this on the ground, right?
Like this. Green on this.
Yeah.
This one is bomb.
And the pea plant, they grow very long and thin, right? So that is why when it grows long and thin, they will need some kind of a support, and this is why we have these branches from the forest. Well done. And if we have peas, then it's easier to also collect if we have them in the branches, the pea plants. Okay, I think we gave you an update of everything that we have been growing in the daycare. Thank you guys for joining me. And shall we say thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell.